Steve from Roofer911. Today we're performing a roof replacement in the city of McLean, Virginia. Everything is coming along really well. This home originally had no ridge vent going across the top, so he had a problem with condensation. And here you can see we cut the open breather about 3 inches total. Now all the material that we rip off the roof, we just throw it right into the dump truck, so hardly any debris hits the ground at all. But also, as a precautionary measure, we set tarps on top of the bushes down below. And here this gentleman's running a starter course right up the side, and he's going to start shingling this area. Soon we'll be installing a new counter and step washing to the chimney. The material that we're using is an excellent product. It's made by GAF. It's called Timberline HD, and the color is charcoal, which is a very, very popular color. Again, this is Steve from Roofer911. We specialize in roof replacement and roof repair in McLean and all areas of Northern Virginia, and our estimates are free. I can be reached at 703-475-2446.